In case you missed it, the Babycook can be used for way more than just purees. So today I'm going to show you one of those ways. I'm going to be making egg salad, and I'm going to start by placing 4 eggs in the steam basket and fill to water level 3, and then pressing steam on the non-eco cycle. Press it, wait, watch it, put it in work for 10 minutes, and then go to it when it lets you know it's done. And then I place the eggs into some cool water. I find it easier to use tongs because they're low-key kind of hot. I guess you could just dump them as well, but I didn't want anything splashing on me, you know? So next, it's super easy to crack the eggs. I just crack them like I would for an omelet, and the shell just kind of falls off. Oh, look how perfect those look. Next, I'm going to place them into a bowl, and then I'm going to start mashing away. Just mash until you get your desired consistency. Then I'm going to add Sir Kensington's avocado oil mayo. It's not as good as Duke's, but it is healthier. So pick what you want. Adding pepper, urban mere salt, mustard, paprika, and then lastly, because I'm kind of crazy, I'm going to add some dill pickles. I'm going for an deviled egg salad, not just a regular egg salad. You know, this is spruced up. Feel free to leave any of this out. And then I'm going to mix one more time. Then I'm placing it on a piece of Ezekiel toast. Gotta have a taste test to make sure it tastes just how you want it. And then lastly, I'm going to top it off with some Sriracha. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed learning how you can use your Babycook outside of baby.